Yeah, go ahead. All the way. All right, so the headers just got here today. I ordered them last Friday, and today is Tuesday. Pretty fast shipping. GSM headers. This is what these are. All right, let's unbox them. All right, here are the headers. Nicely packaged. So, all right, let's check out these headers. Ooh. Nice, okay. That's some nice welds. Okay, all right, let's check these out. All right, so here they are. First impressions. These are some nice looking headers. Yeah, the welds are on point. Comes with their gaskets. Cool. All right, for sure. These headers cost, I believe, $325. Honestly, these headers look like they're pretty good quality for the price. So, all right, I cannot wait to hear these headers on my truck. I'm sure it's gonna change the tone quite a bit. So, here they are. Like I said, the welds are on point. Ooh, look at that right there. All right. I apologize if I sound a little weird today. Recovering, a little under the weather. So, yeah. Well, hopefully the next clip is the headers getting installed. All right. So, here they are. Took a few pictures. So, yeah. All right, guys. So, 2 days later, now we're at the muffler shop, Sierra Mufflers. We're gonna get the headers installed. Finally, I cannot wait to see how this truck is gonna sound with these headers. All right, let's get to it. Oh, there she is, getting surgery. All right, here it is, guys. Coming along. All right. All right. Well, there's the old shorty headers right here, and here's the new long tubes. A little comparison.
Yeah, right, I need a gasket because I screwed the gasket together, gasket screwed up.
All right, so I got some gaskets for the headers. Some nice thick gaskets. Shout out to Bell & Gaines Hot Rod Store in Modesto, California. The guy in there has some stories to share. He's a character. All right, here she is, guys. Almost done. Can't wait to see what it sounds like. Can't wait to drive it. Well, I mean, the weather's not on my favor, so I'm not really gonna get to see if there was any power gains or not. But I mean, hey, I'm still gonna get to hear a great sound. Hopefully, it dries up a little later. So yeah, here it is. All right, well, here she is, guys. She's all done. Corsa Extremes from a 15 to 23 Mustang GT. Now we have the Vibrant Ultra Quiet resonators right here to tame it down a little. And now here's the good stuff. The Speed Engineering 09 to 2015 CTSV X pipe, which does a world of difference. Shout out to Northern Performance for this idea right here. And now Okay, so you guys see the layout right here. Now we got some Longtube headers from GSM. Nice build quality. All right, let's see what this is all about. Moment of truth. Yeah, go ahead. All the way. First impressions, let's see. All right, sounds pretty good. Oh man, this weather really killed it. Alright guys, so I came across a little issue with the header install. It's rubbing against the steering shaft. So I'm going to try to take care of it by hitting it with the pry bar right there. But first I'm going to place something right there so I thought I don't hit the header directly. So yeah, hopefully it all goes well. Because this thing is not fun to drive right now whatsoever. The steering is hard as shit. But yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted. All right guys, so quick little update. While I was driving, the steering shaft broke. So yep, there it is. Had to bust out a mission and call my friend right here so he could get his trailer so he could tow me back to his house. And then we busted a mission to go to pick up the part, which they only had it about an hour away from us, but I was determined to get this truck running tonight. So yeah, here we are now. We're about to knock this out. Holy shit. All right, old one's coming off. We're going to take advantage of this moment and hammer the headers a little more. So so we can turn properly and we don't have any more issues. Well, here she is, removed, ready to put the new one on. So yeah. All right, so we took care of this. Now it's not rubbing. After a little bit of, I should say quite a bit of smacking. But yeah, we took care of it. Big shout out to this guy right here. Thank you for all your help. Also thank you for the tow. Yeah. Goddamn, this thing was a freaking nightmare, but we got it done, and now the end result is definitely going to be all worth it. All right, so it's Saturday morning now. I'm gonna head over to the muffler shop so I could get the header gasket replaced. Since since now we have an exhaust leak on the header on this side due to the tapping that we were doing, but luckily I already have another gasket ready to go. So yeah, we're gonna go take care of that today. All right, now a leaky cold start. Do you guys hear this right here? Yep. Holy shit. Alright. What a shit show this has been. But I mean, hey, it's the name of the game, you know? You gotta pay to play, right? So alright. See you guys on the next clip. Alright, so here we are. Taking care of that. So yeah. Hopefully everything's fine after. No more issues. I just want to enjoy the truck now. All right, let's see what's up. Update. Still leaking. So what I'm gonna do next is, I guess I'm gonna try to get some thick gaskets again. See if that fixes the issue. Because right now, what I replaced it with was with the gaskets that the header kit originally came with, but in my opinion I thought they were too thin, and I mean clearly it didn't fix the issue. So I guess let's see what happens. I mean, I hit up the header manufacturer, see what they say. Hopefully they can take care of me. But yeah, well, I'm gonna do a little pull for you guys. Also, I'm going to do a little pull so I can alleviate my frustration and stress about this situation. But I mean, hey, it's not a big deal. I mean, all right, let's do this. Ugly that sounds. Not gonna lie, I feel embarrassed driving my truck like this. People are walking by, definitely not up to my standard. You know, I also feel embarrassed when there's somebody crossing the street and they're just freaking staring at me. They're probably like, this hunk of shit this guy's driving. But I mean, shit. Oh yeah, listen to that sound right there. Well, here comes the end of this video. Not a happy one, but you know, you can't win them all. But yeah, this is what she sounds like still. But I mean, all right, guys. You guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for more content. Also, if this is your first time tuning in, not every video is low energy like this. So I mean, yeah, guys, really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. I'm currently at 1,396 subscribers, which is mind-boggling to me. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next few videos, and well, I'll keep you guys updated on this issue. Peace out.